Alright guys, so we got the AU on the trailer, ready to go. Heading out to QR for the first time, let's see how we go. We've got our tyres in the boot. Got the jerry cans in the back. Yeah, let's hit it.
I don't know how to drive manual. Fuck, bro, this is nice.
Yeah, man,
purple
combo.
Wow. Yeah, bro, that actually looks like got all the stickers. Bro, it actually looks like a proper jet car. I now looked at this, I was like, damn, this looks fucking mint.
I don't know.
Let's go, Logan. Oh shit!
Kick out, hey.
Yeah, how does first feel around corners?
Huh?
How does first feel? Like, too much revving?
I haven't even tried.
Try it, man.
I'll try it.
That felt fucking good.
That's better.
Fuck yeah. Just that start.
Yeah, it's just
everything
the start.
Else, fucking perfect.
Oh my god, I feel so nervous. What's he doing that?
That's the diff.
Ah, is that normal?
Yep. So I actually ended up switching the tyres from 235 17s to 215 16s, and it ended up spinning way better, so you'll see.
good at it.
Huh?
You're good at it.
Yeah, those tyres feel good.
Shit, that's so good. I wasn't even scared.
So we're going for another one?
Okay.
We're going for another one?
Alright, one more.
He's on barrel pickup.
Huh?
He's on barrel pickup because he knocked one over.
Oh, that's all good. I chucked on some thinner tyres and they feel great.
Yeah, it seems to be a bit better.
Yeah, it
Steering or just
kicks out way easier.
Nice.
I just put some 215s on there instead of
If you want
235s.
a cheaters trick, pump them up to 60 pound, man, so you only run it on very minimal of the tyre.
Yeah, okay. That was my best lap.
That's a good one.
That was my fucking best lap. Fuck yeah. That's not a bad one though.
Oh! This is what's up. What's the face? Holy shit.
There's no base. I can't believe that to me that's a sin. I want to sack up, put them in a back up, try to lay a hole in a rope, curl back up, get up, stand up.
Jump around, jump around, jump up and get down. Jump, 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 jump,
So the GoPro died halfway through the event, and we did have a little hit that I wasn't able to record. But we ended up bashing that fender back in, and then we were able to get another hour of driving, so that worked out well. Overall, the car did really well, and it was only at the end when I realized I should have just been staying in first gear the whole time, so my last laps were actually my best laps. Here's a tandem that I got though.